This is the center console of the 2015 to 2016 Benz E-class W212 with the NTG 5.0 system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Please release the clasps on both sides of the air conditioner outlet. Pry open the entire panel of the air conditioning outlet. Remove the bracket for the OEM screen. Remove the two screws that fix the screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug all the cables. Remove the two screws that fix the OEM head unit. Remove the OEM head unit and unplug the cable on the side. Unplug the power cable. If there is an optical Tiber cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness.